Hello, my name is Nadir Bagavi. I've built an affordable all-in-one metal 3D printer that fits on your desk, so you can print hundreds of metal components without buying a $2 million machine. With a build volume of 200 millimeter diameter and 250 millimeter height and price of $8,000, our printer can satisfy both aerospace professionals and hobbyists. Current metal printers are either using powder bed and laser, powder spray and laser, or porous print infusion technologies. These processes are bulky, expensive, and imprecise. Our printer uses electric arc deposition with layer-by-layer CNC removal of excess material. Basically, it prints out the general shape in metal, then cuts away like a CNC to make it more precise. This ensures high quality of the print right off the printer. With an integrated EDM cutter, there are no extra steps to take until you have a ready part in your hands. All you have to do is upload an STL file here, and it will print, mill, and cut instantly. Right now it prints in stainless steel and carbon steel, but soon I'll be expanding to titanium, aluminum, copper, and Inconel. Of course, it is for personal or factory use, making objects half a meter tall, but our goal is to make this machine 30 meters tall, to one day print boats, cars, and reusable rockets. If you want to reserve your spot on the wait list, check the link below.